This is Made in the Trades, brought to you by Great Oaks.
I'm in the CNC manufacturing program. You learn manual machines, CNC machines, learn how to program them, do Mastercam. I was actually laid off from the manufacturing field due to COVID, and then decided right now would be a good time to further my education and get a little bit more experience in the CNC field.
Great Oaks is a resource. We usually look to them first when we're hiring CNC machinists. The experience that they bring and training to the table really sets them apart. Employers are looking for in future employees soft skills, things like motivation, good attitude, ability to show up to work every day. I feel Great Oaks does a great job of preparing the students on soft skills.
The job opportunities are pretty much endless in this field, I think. You can do anything from what I'm doing right now, CNC machining, to programming. So pretty much the field is endless. You got aerospace, you got different machining companies that make machines themselves.
We've hired Great Oaks graduates for probably over a decade now and have had great success with them.
This has been Made in the Trades, brought to you by Great Oaks.